Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Beco Gemini carrier. First, for a front carry, position your baby high on your chest so you can easily kiss their head. Make sure the fabric spreads from one knee to the other, supporting their hips in an M shape. Fasten the waist belt securely and adjust the shoulder straps for a snug, comfortable fit for both you and your little one. Next, let's explore the hip carry. Position your baby on one hip, slightly off-center. Bring the carrier panel up over their back and shoulders, ensuring their legs are in that crucial M shape. Cross the shoulder straps behind your back and bring them forward to buckle. This carry offers a great view for your baby and keeps them close to you. For a back carry, it's best to practice with a spotter or over a bed until you're confident. Position your baby high on your back so you can see them over your shoulder. Bring the carrier panel up and secure the straps, ensuring they are snug and evenly distributed. This carry is ideal for older babies who can sit unassisted and offers great freedom of movement. Remember to always prioritize safety and comfort. Follow the T-I-C-K-S rule. Tight in view, close enough to kiss, keep chin off chest, supported back. Regularly check your baby's airways and ensure their head is well supported. Adjust the carrier as your baby grows to maintain a proper and comfortable fit for both of you. Happy baby wearing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.